We were seated in the waiting room, waiting and watching he will show up soon. We endured for long in an area where fear and anxiety loomed over us. Then finally, the doctor walked into the room. His presence made us seal. Our ears itching to hear, our hearts prepared to accept just every word he'll be saying, whether terrible or good. Looking upon the pitiful faces let out, there is a patient in the emergency room. Her name, Nigeria. Yes, 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 she's a mother we all echo. We had to rush her here. She was dying, a battered face of oppression, a broken bones of insecurity, a broken bones of insurgency, the foul stench of the untreated wound of corruption. Oh, the brain damage of a failed government. Have you seen how malnourished she is of poverty, even though our stars are full? This wasn't what you promised us, your very chosen ones. She will be fine, he said casually. You weren't blind to whom our supposed dark was. For what doctor would have a glowing face just like daylight? What medic would be dressed in a blazing white apparel? And what doctor would rather have a scepter in his hands than have a stethoscope around his neck? Oh my, we were speaking to the King of Kings in the waiting room. While we were speaking, one of the little ones walked up to him and held one of his fingers. And she said, "Sweet Lord, is there no balm in Gilead?" There was silence. And the Lord asked an interesting question. Do you believe dry bones can still live again? And we all said, oh Lord, you know. Then the Lord said, behold, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. Shall ye not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. These people have I formed for myself. They shall show forth my praise. Behold, a new Nigeria. But since you are still in the waiting room, do what those who wait on me do.